Hello everyone, good evening, welcome back to our channel MG Global. Today again I am going to present you a bungalow township project at South Kolkata. This is one of the best bungalow township project in South Kolkata because of the premiumness of the bungalow and the openness of the areas. We are having total almost 12.9 acres of land parcel in which we are developing around 160 bungalows approximately. This is the main gate of the bungalow township project. You can see these are the car parking spaces and that's our sales gallery space, and on that side we are having all ready to move bungalows on the phase 1. We are having also phase 2 with having a RERA handover date of 2026 December, but we are going to give you the handover of this bungalow township within 2026 January itself, before 1 year. Let's come and show you. I will show you the sample bungalows with having a 3 BHK and 4 BHK bungalows. Let's enter. So we are having 3 kind of bungalows in this project. So one is C kind of bungalow, C type, B type and A type. Let's enter to the A type, that is the smallest bungalow of all. This bungalow C type is having an area of around 2400 square feet. This B type is having a size of around 2000 square feet, and that A type is having a size of around 1800 square feet, the smallest one. So you can see on this area we are having the car parking space. Lot of space, you can easily park your SUV cycle size vehicle. 2 vehicles you can park, one small size and one big size vehicle you can easily park. We are providing you the green revolution technology that you can charge your EV vehicles, electric vehicles on this car parking space itself. And this is a private space. From here your land area is started, so it's a gardening space, it's a lawn space, and you can see this lovely elevation of the bungalow from outside. It's a lovely view. So I am going to show you the bungalow from outside. So on the ground floor level we are having 1 bedroom, living cum dining, 1 kitchen space, and also your common washroom space and the staircase area. And on the first floor level we are having 2 other bedrooms, and on the 4th floor level we are having provision for the 4th bedroom, but that's on the extra charges. So I am going to show you the bungalow from inside now. So come inside. So when we are entering into the bungalow, you can see, so on the foyer area we are having an open foyer area where you can have lot of decoration placed over here. So you can access this lawn space from the foyer area space again. It's a lovely window space just beside this main gate entry. This is the main gate entry, and beside this is the sit out area where you can have a lovely foyer space. So you can create a shoe rack over here this side. So lovely space, you can decorate like this. The bungalow is having a main gate, wooden main gate, with having a height of almost 8.5 feet long. Come inside. So this is your living space with having a 8-seater living hall. It's a proper couch setup, center table is placed, and this side is your TV unit space. Under this again lot of storage space we are having, and this is a 6-seater dining hall. It's completely separated from the living. Again on this bungalow also we are giving this double height dining hall. So from the rooftop itself you can get natural sunlight. So it's evening now, you can see the natural sunlight is coming. It's already almost 5:30 p.m. in the evening. So now come this side, this is the kitchen space. On this side we are having the platform for cooking. This side as a platform plus service platforms. We have kept other things. So you can see it's a private space, like this is a sink, and this private space is having a size of approximately 320 square feet lawn space. 320 square feet lawn space we are having. With this lovely setup you can have a jacuzzi placed over here. You can create a swimming pool as per your choice, and from the guest bedroom, this is the first bedroom, you can have access. So from the back side you can see this is the elevation of the bungalow from the backyard. So on this side we are having washing machine point, outlet and inlet have been done. So come inside again. So come through the kitchen space. Your maids can access from the kitchen from the outside, and this side is your staircase area. It's a lovely staircase area. It's a provision for the lift space. You can create a lift space provision. So we have kept this space open, so you can store lot of things under this. You can having a common washroom on this side. So see this common washroom with lovely fittings by Bravett and Jacquard. So you can see this is a separate shower cubicle. This is having a space of around almost 9.5 feet by almost 5 feet with all premium fittings. Now I am going to show you the first bedroom. So let's come to your first bedroom. The first bedroom is having a size of approximately 12 feet by 11.5 feet. Lovely space. It's a guest bedroom or Atithi room, and this guest bedroom is having a lot of natural sunlights coming in at the time of evening itself. So come inside. So again we are going to show you the first floor level with this spacious staircase area with this anti-skid tiles, wooden structure tiles we have provided. So now come this side. This is the landing space, and this landing space is having a size of approximately almost 14 feet long by almost 5.9 feet. On this side you are having kids bedroom, on the other hand we are having master bedroom. Let's enter to your kids bedroom. This kids bedroom is having a size of approximately 12.9 feet by almost 12 feet, almost square in shape. Again this kids bedroom is having a backyard lawn access. You can see lovely bay window space. You can have a lovely space from the backyard, you can see. So the backyard space as along with a lovely view of sunset and the bypass. And this is extended lawn. You can create a study unit or you can create this kind of space, whatever you want. Come inside this attached washroom space, and on this attached washroom you can have again premium CP sanitary fittings. Again shower cubicle we have provided. This is the basin space and the commode area. This portion is still open. You can create a walk-in closet if you want on this space. So now I am going to show you your third bedroom, or the master bedroom of all. So come inside this. So this master bedroom comes with an attached balcony area. Come inside this master bedroom. This master bedroom is having a size of approximately 14.5 feet by 12.5 feet with this attached balcony area. So let's go to the balcony area with this soundproof glass doors. So this is the balcony. From that side you can see how lovely the balcony is. From the outside you can have a scenic view of the entire area. The entire area is pollution free, noise free. So everything is so calm in this project. And this side come, this is your private lawn space. You can create this kind of private lawn. So it's a gate entry to the private lawn space. On the first floor level you can garden this space as per your choice, or you can extend this balcony up to the last level. So now come inside again. So this is a camouflage washroom just behind this door. So I am opening this washroom from here. So here is your washroom. It's a attached master washroom. This side is shower cubicle. Again all premium fittings. This side you can have a basin unit space by Bravett. So everything is so perfectly decorated. Every corner of this bungalow is nichely developed and delivered with premium most quality and fittings. This project is developed by one of the most trusted brand in Kolkata with having a legacy of almost 40 years, and they are having one of the topmost brand in Kolkata with having a span of around 100 plus residential projects delivered all over Kolkata, residentials and commercial. This is a double height space from the dining hall to the rooftop. So let's come and see the rooftop. From the staircase level we are going through the rooftop. So again a spacious staircase. I have already mentioned you that. So this portion you can have a landing area again. So it's a lovely layout. You can see lot of open area in this bungalow. You can keep it open, or you can have glass facade like this. So you can have provision for the fourth bedroom. So why I am already telling you why provision, because it's on extra. So if you want to have a fourth bedroom on the terrace, so you have to pay some amount extra to have a permanent roof on this. And on the outside you can have lovely view of the sunset. And this is your attached washroom basically, but right now it's common washroom. So this portion is again lovely separate shower area and a wall mount commode, and this is basin space. So everything is so beautifully decorated. And from this side let's walk through this glass facade. So this is the glass facade I am walking. So it's having a capacity of almost 250 kilogram of weight capacity of this glass facade. Beautiful sit out area. You can have a morning cup of tea, evening cup of snacks and coffee, everything. And again, extended platform space we have created, and from this you can have a lovely view of our complex area and the total green spaces. You can see lot of open space and greenery all around. We have kept almost 500 plus old trees in this project. So we have kept like this. Also a banyan tree is also there on the gate entry of the project, and from here you can access the last rooftop where you can have a beautiful zone for stargazing deck. You can see on the topmost flooring. So now I am showing you the project as a whole. The project is already delivered project in phase 1. We have delivered more than 80 plus bungalows, and in phase 2 also we are going to deliver almost 80 bungalows in next year. By next year only you can get possession. By 2026 January you can get possession. As per ERA, the handover date will be 2026 December, but we are giving you by 1 year handover time. And the most important part is pricing. For this bungalow, with having an area of around 1800 square feet approximately built up area, with having a price tag of only 1.55 CR. So if you opt for bigger bungalows like 2000 square feet built up area or 2400 square feet built up area, then the price can go up to 2.25 CR depending on your bungalow choice and the size of the bungalow. So if you are really interested, please call us today only, because out of almost 160 units, only 5 units are available right now. All the other units are sold out, and we are giving you a special gift for your subscribers. So keep loving us, keep supporting us. See you soon on my next video, and see also our other channels, MG Global Pune, MG Global Mumbai, MG Global Hyderabad as well. Thanks for having with us up to the till end, and thanks a lot. Hope to see you soon on my next video. Thank you for watching, and Jai Hind.